welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Moroccan Lamb Chops. Let's get to it. Before I get to the ingredients, I would like to say my cousin went to Dubai this month and she brought back some Arabic spices. And one of them was Baharat spice, also known as the seven spice blend. It's like the Chinese five spice blend, but Middle Eastern. It's their version. Now let's get to the ingredients. Extra virgin olive oil. I have in here smoked paprika and sweet paprika, garlic, salt and black pepper, crushed tomatoes, and of course, the Baharat spice, chickpeas, I have in this bowl onions, white potatoes, and carrots. And of course, the lamb chops. Now, this is the first thing we do. We're going to season up the lamb chops. We're going to add some salt and black pepper. Some smoked paprika and sweet paprika. And the Baharat spice. We'll mix this up on the lamb chop. Okay, I have a saute pan here. Add some olive oil to the pan. Then we're going to add the lamb chops to the pan. We're going to let this saute on each side for about 3 minutes, then flip it and do the next side for 3 minutes. Now let's flip them to the next side. Yeah. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now we're going to add the crushed tomatoes to this. And then we're going to cover it up, turn it down, and let it simmer for about 40 minutes. Now, while the lamb chop is cooking, we're going to make the roasted vegetables. And what I'm going to be using for this, paprika, sweet and smoked, black pepper and salt, baharat, olive oil, and the vegetable, carrots, white potatoes, and onions. You cut the onions in quarters. We're going to mix them in this bowl. The garlic, the olive oil, we're going to mix all of this up together. I have a baking dish here. Add everything to the baking dish. I have my oven set to 380 degrees. And we're going to cook this for about 40 minutes or until the vegetables are done. Now, while the lamb and the vegetables are cooking, we're going to make the charmoula. And these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Red pepper, red hot pepper, minced garlic, lemon juice, and the zest from the lemon. In here, I have fresh parsley and cilantro. In this bowl here, I'm going to zest some of the lemon peel. The garlic, the red pepper, diced up, the chopped parsley and cilantro, we're going to squeeze some lemon juice over this mixture. And we're going to mix this up. And set it to the side. Look at the lamb jumping in the pot. Now let's have the chickpeas jumping in the pot with the lamb. Now we're going to cook this for about 10 more minutes. Now I've plated it all up, and the last thing we add is the charmoula. And then we have lemon wedges that we squeeze over the top while we eat it. There you have it, Moroccan lamb chops. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.